Okay, let's try this again, and I'm gonna start with the status I have now. Defense 3. Yo, miss. This YouTube video is gonna be nice because
Is it playing here?
you had to put your hand in it. You had to put your hand in it. Stop. I'm making a YouTube video. You just put your hand in it. No, I got it.
What will happen if I put the hand? Really? Does it
People's gonna ask questions like, "Who the hand was that?"
really?
Yes. Not cool. Oh, you want? I'm actually gonna go complete D mode and do this and plus chaos shard. Oh, let's go. It's time to end this. Michael,
This guy is accurate. Mace.
you guys are fucked.
Told me the accurate way, right?
But that's even worse. That's even worse.
Stephanie? Oh my god, this in like 2 minutes, please come
Drinks at 140.
Bro, you have no idea what's about to happen.
David. You didn't finish it. Write your name on that, David.
I am gonna go crazy.
Do you want to propose it for homework or you just
Yo, Michael.
Stop.
Check
So apparently this might end at captivity.
Yeah.
This might end at captivity because look at the time on the recording.
And then she's like, yo, you got in it. It's actually